little tips and tricks on replacing these outer grills. We're going to take the top and bottom piece off and replace it with our new clip-on style R56 or GEN2 grill surround. Up this area to protect the plastic bumper as you pull it off, because there is no doubt you'll scratch it as it comes out. Trust me, I've done it many times. You have to pop out the 4 clips from the top, right over here, and then down below, it's hard to see in there, but there are these strikers that need to be pushed so those tabs release, and there are 4 of those. On there, and this guy on the end. There's another clip from the bottom. It's a little bit more tricky to get to, but it'll make more sense when I pull it out. There we are, they're the clips I'm talking about. These ones have to be pushed to the side to release. Same with those. This one's the opposite direction. And the last little tabs just have a little nip on the top that needs to be pushed down for it to release. Same on both sides. Now we're just going to remove the lower chrome trim off the grill itself. And we do that by opening up these tabs, which will release that chrome trim. Once they're all released, you can pull the lower trim off. You can see how those trim clips work. Now it's time to fit up our new lower grill surround trim. Simply lining up the clips. Take your time here, get them all lined up perfectly, so you can just snap into place, and then we're ready to install it onto the car. That lower trim, and the whole piece is ready to be clipped back on to the front bumper part. You'll just slide these clips that you tensioned previously and pop it back on. And we just line up the strikers and clip it back in. Now we're going to replace the top section already blacked out, but it's actually a cover that we supply for the R56 R57 range. We're going to replace it with our new full replacement piece. So really easy to do. Simply pull out these 4 Phillips head screws that are holding onto it there underneath, and then you'll be squeezing these tabs together to release the trim all the way along. These clips is to use a flat long nose plier and just grab the clip halfway down like so, giving it enough room at the top to pop it up. So you squeeze the clip in and pop it up, and the trim is loose. Just do that for all your clips and she comes right off. Don't worry if your clips are broken on the old trim. This one's been off many times before and most of the clips were broken, but the new trim that we supply is a full replacement and has all new trim clips and screw points, so that'll fit straight up. Now you can enjoy your new blacked out grille. These trims are available from our website. The link will be in the description, along with all other blackout kits, performance parts and accessories available online and here in Australia.